Hey all, this is Vaishnavi and we are part of Nokia. So there was a workshop named Servant Leadership, which I felt in the initial conversation would be something like one another workshop which we have attended. But after the first day, I felt a little connected towards what are the practices that can be helping me in improving the values of the team and also working together, and how uplifting can help my team to produce good value addition to the Nokia vision as well. And there are a lot of connectivities between this workshop vision and also the Nokia's vision. So that is something which excited me more, and looking forward for the second day as well. So all the best for the team and also for us. Thank you.
Hi, this is Madana Kumar, and I'm glad that you chose to view this video. If you would like to be part of this journey, which is transformative both at a personal level and at a professional level, do get in touch with us at Leadyne. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.